Have you ever looked at a system you use every day and thought, how can I make this better? That single question is exactly why I became a software engineer. I am BAYZID Ahmed, a 7th semester computer science and engineering student at Daffodil International University. This is my Twitter resume. My cumulative CGPA is 3.60, but this graph tells the real story. In 2025, my results took a hit, dipping down to 3.39. Instead of letting that set the tone, I made a deliberate choice to pivot. By spring 2026, I brought that back up to a perfect 4.0. Setbacks happen, but knowing how to execute a turnaround is a skill I carry directly in my development work. The first system I optimized was our universities. TOI's BLC learning platform is essential, but the daily user experience had significant friction. So I built BLC Plus, a browser extension that completely overhauls the UI and UX. It is free, open source on GitHub, and currently helps DIU students bypass the friction. Next, I looked at how our CSE department builds class schedules. It used to be a manual process involving weeks of back and forth between faculty to navigate dozens of conflicting constraints. My team Recursive Minds built routinely to automate this. We use Google Gemini to read scheduling constraints in plain language, paired with Google Word tools to generate a conflict-free timetable automatically. What used to take up to 14 days now takes just 15 minutes. I also apply automation in practical, real-world infrastructure. My uncle used to travel to his rice field at 3 a.m. just to manually switch on the irrigation pump, then head back down later in the morning to turn it off. To eliminate this routine, I built automated GSM pump controller using a microcontroller and a cellular module. Now he handles the entire irrigation cycle remotely via simple SMS commands from his home. It completely cut out the midnight trips and brought direct zero friction utility to completely manual process. I also co-founded Cover Ecosystems, where I manage IoT integration and software architecture. We are designing smart luxury furniture embedded with biometrics, microclimate controls, and responsive security sensors. It is an early stage venture, but we are executing it with a serious long-term vision. Across all these projects, whether overhauling universities' platform, automating scheduling logistics, or building field-ready IoT systems, the core objective remains the same: taking complex technology and making it completely frictionless for the end user. My ultimate goal is to become a human AI interaction architect, developing intelligent software systems that feel intuitive for everyday users. Every project I have engineered so far builds directly toward this focus. Having access to the one student, one laptop program provides the reliable, portable workstation necessary to continuously write, compile, and manage my developments as I complete my studies at DIU and transition into the tech industry. Thank you for your time.